Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to analyze time management survey results and transform that data into actionable strategies to optimize efficiency in different departments. The image highlights everything from data collection to implementing specific action plans, showing how these improvements impact productivity and employee satisfaction. If you are looking to improve time management in your organization and create a more efficient environment, this video is for you. Results analysis: transforming data into knowledge. Data segmentation by department and function. Organizing the survey data by functional areas allows you to identify how time is distributed in each department. For example, the sales team spends 40% of its time entering data into CRM, while the finance team spends 30% of its time on bank reconciliations. The serious benefit is that it helps to prioritize the most time-consuming activities and optimize key processes. Identification of critical tasks and bottlenecks. Locating activities that slow down processes allows you to focus efforts on the most impactful areas. For example, in customer service, it was detected that response time is excessive due to lack of automation. The benefit would be to reduce bottlenecks, improve customer experience, and increase operational efficiency. Comparison with industry benchmarks. Benchmarking results against industry standards helps identify areas for improvement against the competition. For example, if the average ticket resolution time in your company is 2 hours, but the industry standard is 1 hour, there is a clear opportunity for optimization. The benefit would be to set realistic goals aligned with industry best practices. Some of the recommendations for each department would be: in the sales department, implement CRM integration with email to reduce time spent on data entry by 20%. The benefit would be that it allows salespeople to focus on prospecting customers and closing sales, in the human resources department. Automate resume sorting and interview scheduling using specialized software. The benefit would be a 30% reduction in administrative tasks, allowing the team to focus on talent development, in the finance department. Use an automated system for bank reconciliations, reducing the time required by 50%. The benefit would be that financial analysts could spend more time on strategic data analysis. In the customer service department, deploy an AI-based chatbot to answer frequently asked questions, reducing response time by 40%. The benefit would be that it improves the customer experience and frees agents to solve complex cases, in the technology and infrastructure (IT) department. Automate the assignment and resolution of technical support tickets, reducing response time by 25%. The benefit will be that the IT team will be able to spend more time on strategic projects. Some steps to implement and follow up an action plan would be: the development of goals and KPIs for each department. Defining key performance indicators (KPIs) allows measuring the impact of the implemented strategies. For example, a KPI for sales could be to reduce the time spent on CRM by 20% in the first quarter. The serious benefit is that it facilitates progress monitoring and ensures alignment with strategic objectives. Periodic performance review. Conducting regular evaluations ensures that strategies adjust to the changing needs of the business. For example, if a chatbot fails to reduce expected times, adjusting interaction flows will improve its effectiveness. The analysis of time management survey results, combined with department-specific recommendations, transforms inefficiencies into opportunities for improvement. This holistic approach not only increases productivity, but also employee and customer satisfaction. If you want to implement time surveys and develop strategies to optimize time management in your company, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.